About 5,000 years ago, an ancient civilization raised a circle of huge, roughly rectangular stones in a field in what is now Wiltshire, England. That Neolithic monument would come to be called Stonehenge. It is arguably one of the most famous megalithic monuments in the world. It's also one of the most mysterious, with its prehistoric concentric rings garnering plenty of speculation as to why and how they were constructed. The main structure was built between 5,000 and 4,000 years ago. But the site continuously evolved over a period of about 10,000 years. The most impressive of stones are called sarsens, and they each stand up to 30 feet. That's 9 meters tall and weigh a whopping 25 tons. The smaller stones are called bluestones for their bluish tinge when wet. Dozens of burial mounds have been discovered near Stonehenge, suggesting that perhaps thousands of people were buried there. As much as archaeologists have uncovered about Stonehenge, there are still plenty of mysteries to solve. Why did people construct Stonehenge in the first place? What was it used for? One theory suggests Stonehenge marks the unification of Britain, a point when people across the islands worked together and used a similar style of houses, pottery, and other items. Another suggests Stonehenge may have originally been a cemetery for the elite. No matter why it was built, Stonehenge may have been constructed with the sun in mind. One avenue connecting the monument with the nearby River Avon aligns with the sun on the winter solstice. The site also faces the summer solstice sunrise, and both summer and winter solstices are still celebrated there today. Archaeologists will continue to dig into the mysteries at Stonehenge. Who knows what they will find?